Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for all you photography enthusiasts out there. If you've been looking to take your aerial shots to the next level, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the world of drones, specifically the best drone for aerial photography in 2024. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Best overall, DJI Air 3. Introducing the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo, a drone designed for the ultimate aerial photography experience. This powerhouse drone comes equipped with dual primary cameras, each capable of capturing stunning 48 megapixel photos and 4K video, ensuring every shot is crisp and vibrant. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or detailed close-ups, the DJI Air 3's advanced camera system delivers exceptional quality. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 is its extended flight time, thanks to the inclusion of 3 intelligent flight batteries. With these, you can enjoy more time in the air to capture the perfect shot without the constant worry of running out of power. The drone also boasts an impressive 20-kilometer maximum video transmission range, allowing you to explore and document vast areas while maintaining a strong and stable connection to your controller. The DJI RC2 remote controller enhances your flying experience with its intuitive design and responsive controls. It's FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring you meet regulatory requirements while enjoying the freedom of flight. The Air 3 is engineered with advanced safety features, including obstacle detection and automated flight modes, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced pilots. Best for professionals, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a game-changer for professional aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, this drone delivers stunning 5.1K HD video and exceptional photo quality, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity and dynamic range. One of its standout features is the impressive 46 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended sessions to get the perfect shot. The Mavic 3 Classic also boasts a 15 kilometers transmission range, ensuring a reliable connection even over long distances. Its smart return-to-home feature provides peace of mind by automatically navigating back to its starting point if the signal is lost or the battery is low. Additionally, the drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, making it ready for the latest regulatory requirements. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring aerial photographer, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is designed to elevate your work with its advanced technology and user-friendly features. This drone truly stands out in the market for its combination of performance, reliability, and innovation. Best budget, Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E is a fantastic choice for adults looking to dive into aerial photography with ease. This drone comes equipped with a 4K camera that captures stunning 30 FPS video, delivering clear and vibrant footage from the skies. Its 130-degree FOV and electronic image stabilization ensure smooth, high-quality shots, even in windy conditions. The drone boasts an integrated remote ID, complying with the latest FAA regulations for safer flying. With 2 batteries providing up to 46 minutes of flight time, you have ample opportunity to capture the perfect shot. The 5 GHz FPV transmission offers reliable real-time video feed, making it easier to navigate and frame your shots. The brushless motors add durability and quieter performance, enhancing the overall flying experience. Key features like auto return, follow me, and GPS positioning make this drone beginner-friendly, ensuring that even those new to drone piloting can enjoy seamless and stress-free operation. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or taking family photos from above, the Holystone HS720E combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver an exceptional aerial photography experience. Best for beginners, Ruko F11 Pro. Next, the Ruko F11 Pro is a top-notch drone for adults, perfect for those keen on capturing high-quality aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, this drone ensures you get crystal-clear images and videos, making your aerial photography sessions truly remarkable. One of its standout features is the impressive 60-minute flight time, thanks to its 2 intelligent batteries. This extended flight duration allows for more comprehensive exploration and longer recording sessions without frequent interruptions. The Ruko F11 Pro's GPS auto return home function is a lifesaver, ensuring your drone returns safely even if the battery runs low or it loses signal. The brushless motor design provides a quieter and more powerful flight, enhancing durability and performance. Additionally, this drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, meeting the latest safety standards and regulations for a secure flying experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, the Ruko F11 Pro offers a robust set of features, making it a versatile and reliable choice for all your aerial photography needs. Best for travel, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Premium Bundle is an impressive package designed for those serious about aerial photography and videography. Featuring a 1 CMOS sensor and a 6K HDR camera, this drone captures stunning, high-resolution images and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. The 40-minute flight time ensures you have ample opportunity to capture all the footage you need without frequent interruptions. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the Evo Lite Plus provides stable and smooth shots, even in windy conditions. The 3-way obstacle avoidance system adds an extra layer of safety, allowing the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in its path, making it easier to navigate in complex environments. With a transmission range of up to 7.4 miles, you can explore vast areas and capture distant landscapes with confidence. The Lite Plus Fly More combo includes multiple accessories to enhance your flying experience, such as extra batteries, propellers, and a carrying case, ensuring you are well prepared for extended sessions. The Evo Lite Plus is an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals, offering a perfect blend of advanced features, safety, and convenience for all your aerial photography needs. And that's a wrap on our review of the best drones for aerial photography in 2024. From the advanced capabilities of the DJI Air 3 to the impressive flight time of the Ruko F11 Pro, there's a drone here to suit every need and budget. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews.